Welcome students. In this lecture we are going to discuss about pumping action of the heart and conducting system of the heart. First we go to the pumping action of the heart. Heart is main pumping organ. Heart is main pumping organ. It gets contracted and relaxes so as to forms the alternate contraction and relaxation results into the formation of single beat. Like this there are 72 beats per minute, and during one contraction heart can expel out 70 ml of blood, and this is called as stroke volume. So you have to remember the what is meaning of systole and diastole. Systole and diastoles are the important terms related to the contraction and relaxation of the heart. Here, systole means contraction of the cardiac muscles. And diastoles means relaxation of the cardiac muscles. So due to alternate contraction and relaxation produce one heartbeat. Like this there are 72 heartbeats are present within normal person. Number of heartbeats are 72 per minute, and it is called as heart rate. What is heart rate of normal healthy person? 72 beats per minute. It is called as heart rate. And the stroke volume. What is meaning of stroke volume? Stroke volume means the how much amount of blood expelled out during ventricular contraction. Here 70 ml blood expelled out during single heartbeat, and this volume is called as stroke volume. How much amount of blood expelled out during single heartbeat or single contraction of ventricle expels out 70 ml of blood from the right and left ventricle with the help of pulmonary trunk and systemic aorta. This total amount of blood expelled out from within a single heartbeat is called as stroke volume. So by using these two values, that is heart rate and stroke volume, we can easily calculate the cardiac output. What is cardiac output? Cardiac output is nothing but the multiplication of heart rate and stroke volume. These values are 72 beats per minute and 70 ml of blood expelled out during single heartbeat. It is called as stroke volume. So multiplication of heart rate into stroke volume the product is cardiac output. So cardiac output is nothing but the total amount of blood expelled out during single minute. 72 beats per minute, and per beat 70 ml blood expelled out. Therefore this multiplication is 4040 ml. It is approximately 5 liter. हे किती असणार आहे? अंदाजे 5 लिटर ब्लड आहे ते एका मिनिटाला आपल्या हार्ट मधून बाहेर जातं, आणि या अमाउंटला आपल्याला काय म्हणायचं आहे? कार्डियाक आउटपुट. सो कार्डियाक आउटपुट इज approximately 5 liter in normal healthy person per minute. एका मिनिटाला आपल्या हार्ट मधून 5 लिटर ब्लड बाहेर फेकलं जातं, आणि त्याला काय म्हणायचंय? कार्डियाक आउटपुट. स्ट्रोक व्हॉल्यूम म्हणजे काय की एका हार्टबीट मध्ये किती ब्लड बाहेर फेकलं जातं त्याला आपण स्ट्रोक व्हॉल्यूम असं म्हणणार आहे. आणि एका मिनिटाला किती हार्टबीट असतात या टोटल हार्टबीटच्या नंबरला त्या पेशंटचा किंवा त्या पर्सनचा आपण काय म्हणतो? हार्ट रेट. हा जर हार्ट रेट वाढत गेला, हायपरटेन्शन किंवा हाय ब्लड प्रेशर असणाऱ्या लोकांच्या मध्ये, तर हा कार्डियाक आउटपुट सुद्धा वाढत जाणार आहे. हा जर हार्ट रेट कमी झाला असेल, 72 पेक्षा कमी असेल लो ब्लड प्रेशरच्या पेशंट मध्ये, तर हा व्हॉल्यूम सुद्धा चेंज होणार आहे. सो द कार्डियाक आउटपुट डिपेंड्स ऑन heart rate and stroke volume, and you can easily calculate the cardiac output with the help of multiplying these two terms. Such type of examples will be asked in your examination, so it is very important for CET and NEET examination as well as board examination. After that we go to the next part of that topic, that is conducting system of the heart. Students, attention here. The next part of the topic, that is conducting system of heart. The conducting system of heart consists of main four parts or special type of tissues which are located within the heart, called as the nodal tissues. And such nodal tissues include SA node, AV node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fiber. See here, first one, SA node. What is long form of SA? SA means sino-auricular node. Sino-auricular node is called as SA node. Second one, AV node. AV node is called as auriculoventricular node. AV means auriculoventricular node. And third one, that is bundle of His. Last one, Purkinje fiber. Purkinje fibers. So these are the four special type of tissues located, these are the four modified cardiac muscles which are present in heart, so called as nodal tissues. With the help of that four nodal tissues, conduction of impulse occurs within heart. So these are the 4 points included under conducting system of the heart. In case of human being, the wave of contraction and relaxation originated within heart with the help of modified cardiac muscle. So human heart is myogenic. You have to remember this term. Myogenic heart means wave of contraction originated within heart, and also rhythmic contraction regulated within heart with the help of different nodal tissues. Therefore this heart is called as myogenic heart. It is not under control of nervous system. It is not a neurogenic heart like lower animals. In case of lower animal, heart is neurogenic because it is under control of nervous system. But in case of human being and class Mammalia, the heart is myogenic. That is nothing but the impulse or wave of contraction and relaxation originated within heart with the help of this SA node. It is modified cardiac muscle, and therefore heart is myogenic. Then see here in this diagram, the heart consists of 4 chambers. All of you know all the chambers of the heart. The upper 2 superior chambers are called as auricles. वरचे 2 जे चेंबर आहे त्यांना आपण काय म्हणणार आहे, ऑरिकल असं म्हणणार आहे. आणि खालचे जे 2 चेंबर आहेत त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे, वेंट्रिकल्स. द हार्ट इज टिल्टेड टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट साइड. त्यामुळे आपल्याला हे लेफ्ट साइडला असं टिल्टिंग दाखवायचं आहे. लोअर चेंबर्स आहेत ते वेंट्रिकल्स असतील आणि अप्पर चेंबर्स आहेत ते ऑरिकल असणार आहेत. ठीक आहे. देन the wall of auricle is thin as compared to wall of ventricle. त्यामुळे आपण ventricleची wall आहे तिथं थोडीशी थिकनेस दाखवायचे. पुन्हा बघा, त्या 2 ऑरिकलच्या मध्ये आपल्याला माहित आहे, आपण इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हार्ट मध्ये शिकलेलं आहे. 2 ऑरिकलच्या मध्ये जो इंटर ऑरिक्युलर सेप्टम आहे, तो सेप्टम काय करतो, या ऑरिकलचे 2 भाग करणार आहे. सो ऑरिकल डिवाइड्स इनटू राइट एंड लेफ्ट ऑरिकल बाय this interauricular septum. Like this, ventricle is also divided into right and left ventricles by this interventricular septum, and in between auricle and ventricle there is a presence of aperture. हे जो होल आहे, हे पोर आहे, याला आपण काय म्हणायचे, auriculoventricular aperture. या दोघांच्या मध्ये हे जे छिद्र आहे की यातलं ब्लड इथे येणार आहे, यातलं ब्लड इथे येणार आहे, याचा अर्थ इथं जे ओपनिंग आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचे, ऑरिक्युलोवेंट्रिक्युलर ॲपर्चर. आपण चेंबरला नावं देऊया. तिथे हार्टच्या चेंबरची नावं काय बघा. हा राईट साइडचा ऑरिकल आहे, त्याला आपण राईट ॲट्रियम असं म्हणूया. राईट ॲट्रियम, राईट वेंट्रिकल. इथं बघा लेफ्ट साइडला आहे म्हणून लेफ्ट ॲट्रियम आणि लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. आपल्याला आज काय बघायचं, इथे कंडक्टिंग सिस्टीम. त्यामुळे आपल्याला फोकस करायचे आतमध्ये असणाऱ्या स्पेशल मॉडिफाईड कंडक्टिंग टिश्यूज वरती फोकस करायचंय. बघा इकडे जो पहिला कंडक्टिंग नोडल टिश्यू आहे तो कोणता आहे, एस ए नोड. लोकेशन बघा, इथं आपण लेबल करूया पार्टला एस ए नोड. एस मीन्स सायनू, ए मीन्स ऑरिक्युलर, नोड हा जो नोड आहे त्याला आपल्याला काय म्हणायचं आहे, सायनू ऑरिक्युलर नोड, विच इज लोकेटेड ॲट द ओपनिंग ऑफ सुपेरियर वेना केव्हा. आपण इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये असं पाहिलेलं आहे की हा जो वरून येणारा सुपेरियर वेना केव्हा आहे तो इथं ओपन होतोय, त्याच्या शेजारी इथे एस ए नोडचं ओपनिंग आहे. सो opening SA node is located in this right auricle and right side of the right auricle near the opening of superior vena cava. superior vena cavaच्या ओपनिंगच्या शेजारी आपल्याला SA नोडचं लोकेशन बघायला मिळते. So it is modified cardiac muscle where impulse are originated. So this SA node is also called as pacemaker. It is very important. Pacemaker. This pacemaker originate the impulses which are required for the conducting system of the heart. So these are called as pacemaker or SA node. Then the another type, when SA node here within heart, SA node produces wave of contraction and relaxation. They are called as impulse, and such impulse are transmitted throughout the auricle with the help of cardiac muscles which are located in the wall of auricles. And when the waves from this SA node reaches to the next node, that is AV node, which is located at the base of this interauricular septum or in the junction of interauricular septum and interventricular septum. This node or special type of conducting tissue is called as AV node. AV node means auriculoventricular node, which is located at the base of or interauricular septum or in the junction of interauricular septum and interventricular septum within right auricle. This is called as SA node. So these are the two special type of nodal tissues present within the right auricle. One is towards right side near the opening of superior vena cava is called as SA node, and another is towards the left side within the right auricle at the base of this interauricular septum and just below the coronary sinus. See here, this auriculoventricular node, from this auriculoventricular node a bundle of tissues are originated, and this bundle of tissues are first discovered by the scientist His. Therefore, this nodal tissue is called as bundle of His. Bundle of His originated from auriculoventricular node and enters into the interventricular wall. And this wall, within this wall, this bundle of His again bifurcated. याचे दोन भाग होणार आहेत बघा, याच्या दोन ब्रांचेस तयार होणार आहेत. Bundle of His divides into right and left branches, and that right and left branches goes within the this interventricular septum at the tip of heart, lower apex of the heart, and then from the apex to the wall of the ventricle. Throughout the whole wall of the ventricle, it again branched into the fibers, and these fibers are called as Purkinje fibers. So these are the branches of the fibers are called as Purkinje fiber. This Purkinje fiber supplies impulse to the whole cardiac muscles within the ventricle, within the myocardium of the ventricle, and results into the ventricular contraction. So these fibers are called as Purkinje fibers. Purkinje fibers. So these are the four important points in this conducting system, that is SA node, AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. बघा इथं लोकेशन आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. SA node located in right side of right auricle near the opening of superior vena cava. AV node located at the base of interauricular septum or at the junction of interauricular septum and interventricular septum called as AV node. From this AV node arises a bundle of muscles called as bundle of His, and this bundle of His enters into the interventricular wall, and here it again divides into two branches. This branch is called as branches of bundle of His. It goes deep at the tip of the heart, and from the branches are goes into the entire myocardium of the ventricle, and these branches are called as Purkinje fibers. All these cardiac muscle transmit impulse from SA node throughout the wall of auricle and results into the auricular contraction or auricular systole. For this auricular systole required 0.1 second. So for auricular systole required time 0.1 second. Then from this auricular ventral systole, the impulse when arises to this AV node, then AV node get excited and impulse from this AV node transmitted to the bundle of His, and from this bundle of His the impulse are transmitted towards the whole wall of ventricle with the help of this Purkinje fiber. So for auricular contraction requires 0.1 second, for ventricular contraction required 0.3 second, and these are the time for requirement of the contraction of auricle and ventricle, and the remaining time is 0.4 second in which the heart is completely in relaxed condition. So total number of seconds required for the single heartbeat is 0.8 second. 0.8 second required for single heartbeat. Within 0.8 second, the impulse from SA node transmitted throughout the heart and results into the first auricular contraction, then ventricular contraction. It is called as heartbeat, and these are the various components of the conducting system of the heart. During examination, when question asked on that point, you have to mention the 4 parts of that system, that is SA node, AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. It is very important for the examination point of view, and you can easily understand with the help of this diagram. So this special type of muscles, that is SA node, AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. Thank you.